What's up guys? Good morning. Nandito tayo ngayon sa BRC. Yan, last leg na dito ng NDRC. Yan, ilalaban natin ngayon tong AG na pink. Si Mrs. ang magdadala. Sa akin yung huling RS. Yan. Ito yung patak na one day. Yan. Ang iba nandun na. Nakapila na. Kami nagpe-prepare pa kami sa ano. Ito hindi namin matanggal yung upuan. Baka hindi na lang ito tanggalin. Yain na yan. Kung ano na lang orasin, yun na lang. So, abangan natin mamaya kung ano magiging resulta ng ating mga pag-oras. So, ayun, out. So, ayun guys, nakapila tayo ngayon. Oh, lalaro isang bata. Haba ng pila. Tigil dun eh, kaya lumabas muna kami, mainit sa loob. Walang aircon. Oh. Ayan, dalawa kaming lalaro ngayon. So, time trial pa lang ngayon. Go oras pa lang kami. Yan. Oh, busy oh. Ayos talaga oh. Nagano na ang hangin ah. Champion ng sportsman. Yan. Si Abib. Cherry White. Pinakamasipag ng one day oh. Haba ng pila. Ay. Pahinga muna tayo ngayon. Mainit kumila. Ayan. So yan guys, yan si Boss Jim. Yeah. Nagkakabit sila ngayon ng ano, banner ng Leon. Yan. Mag-i-sticker na siya ngayon, hindi na siya mekaniko. Yan, lagay yan ng salamin, yung gitna. Yan. Yan, lahat may mga ganyan na dito. Leon, yan. Leon, yung kapila din. Bagay. So yan guys, last na pila na yon, lunch break na. Yan. Magla-lunch break 11:45. Dito nakaparada yung sa atin. Yan. Patak natin katabi ng STI. Patak kay Mrs. Yan. Patak natin one day. Yan, tapos na. Nakabit na yung Leon. Yan. Halos lahat sa Team One Day ganyan, merong ano, Leon. Sponsor nila yan. Leon. So, good luck sa mga lalaro. Out.
The next day.
So, what's up guys? Good morning. Nandito tayo ngayon sa BRC. Yan, race day na. Maaga kami pumunta dito. Kasi ano, yan, kami ang unang lalaro. Yan, sa hot street class. Itong ilalaro namin kay Mrs. At saka ito yung gagamitin ko. So, dito tayo sa paddock ng One Day Auto Shop. Yan, dumating na si Boss Gado. Ayan, ang mga team. Wala pa yung iba dito. Nauna lang kami kasi sa hot street kami lalaro. Maya pipila na. Yan, nagre-ready lang kami. Kung anong aming mga gulong. Yan, yung mga hangin. Yan. Oh, 153 and 154. Yan. So, good luck sa atin. Good luck sa atin mamaya. Out. So ayun guys, tapos na yung elimination. Napunta kami sa sa winners bracket ni Mrs. Yan. Oh, yan oh. Kaya nandito kami sa PADA kasi na, winners bracket kami yan, win isa. Yan, kay Mrs. nandun din. Yan. Napunta kami sa winners bracket kaya hintay namin maubos yung mga nandun sa losers bracket. Yan, ito ang kay Mrs. na nilaro. Yan.
Here at the BRC, while the Pro Class and Super Pro and Quick 8 get to do
winners bracket
fights in the 1/8 mile stretch of our drag strip. Good luck competitors in the other divisions right here at the final.
So ayun, hintay tayo ng tawag kung kailan tayo pupunta ulit doon. So, yun, hanggang dito na lang muna, update tayo mamaya kung makakasilat ulit tayo ng podium. So, good luck sa atin lahat.
That red car from Team MHN Accord Tuner Philippines versus the pink Honda Civic hatchback number 153 from Team One Day. That's Bernadette Bucal, another of our female racers in that pink car. That's Bernadette Bucal versus Ulrich Aquino. Oh, suddenly the Accord is with a lead right here. Looking like the Accord finished first, and it gets the W right there. Ulrich Aquino, congratulations. Hello to Liza Matrilio. Shout out to car number 101. Ooh, take a look at this Honda Civic number 154. The latest Honda Civic, the one with the turbocharged engine from Honda Japan. And here goes the Geely Cool Ray, straight out of China. Number 150, that's GJ Caparos, going up against the Honda Civic number 154 of Agin Gomez Brucal from Team One Day. GJ Caparos.
So ayun guys, nagkamali tayo na pindot, napunta sa time-lapse. Kaya ganito yung naging video natin. So, ayan, pasensyahan nyo na yung video natin.
Presents Team Barrow, Truck Rental PH. Barrow PH, Truck Rental PH. The turbocharged Geely Cool Ray going up against a Honda Civic right here. Ooh, looking like the Cool Ray crossed the finish line first, but the win goes to the Civic. With Claire, Eric, and Vic Quizon. Thank you so much for joining us here at the Batangas Racing Circuit. Take a look at this Honda Civic, number 154 on a solo run. Some of the nicest track weapons we have over here. Brand new Honda Civic from Agent Gomez Bucal of Team One Day. Archie Sebek from Team MRC Team Lowy in that white Toyota Hi-Ace van. He launches ahead going up against his Honda Civic number 154 of Agent Bucal from Team One Day. From Rosario, Batangas in that red car of Archie Sebek. He's also from Batangas. He's from San Juan, Batangas, and he's ahead of that Honda Civic. Yes, he wins it. Team MRC, Team Lewis Performance gets another win over here. Diesel Power gets the better of that turbocharged Civic because that Honda Civic broke out. Take a look at that. It wrapped up with a 15.9 quarter-mile run. A breakout means it went faster than its official dial-in run.
So ayun guys, yan, hindi tayo pinalad. Second runner-up tayo, yan. Second runner-up. Hindi na tayo na-champion ngayon. So, na-breakout tayo, natalo tayo ni Archie, yung ban. Breakout ako, siya hindi, kaya yun. Siya ngayong nalaban for championship. Yun. Kalaban niya yun sa Lancer EX. Pero third, ano na tayo, third or second runner-up. Yan. So, yun, good luck sa mga lalaro pa.
And the yellow one, that's a Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 3. Definitely, it's got an all-wheel drive system. For the battle to be number one in the Quick 8 class. Here we go. Oh, Alan Arao goes sideways. I hope he's all right. Yeah, he was able to save that. He was able to save that. Let's take a look at that. I wonder how that Lancer is doing. There he goes. He was able to save it. He's okay. And that Lancer went haywire. There goes Vanny Garcia and everybody. He's okay. Mr. Alan Arao is all right. He's just heartbroken. We understand. But it's great that we were able to see this Lancer back in action after a few race rounds of not being available. He joins us again over here, Alan Arao, for all you fans of the Mitsubishi Lancer format. That's his Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 3. Some of the most powerful track weapons we have here in the country. And Alan is okay, a little bit shaken because of what happened over there. He tried his best to correct.
Oo, yan. Sabi ko na yung kanina, hindi. Oo. So ayun guys, oh, umikot yung yellow. Ay, yung dilaw ko. Yan. Umikot. Hindi. Ngayon lang, kakarating lang. May umikot. Ayan. Ayos naman siguro yung driver. So ayun guys, mga winners bracket. Pipila na ulit. Yan, mga Team Leon. Yan. Halos lahat winners bracket na pasok dito yung sa Team One Day. Yan, mga winners bracket yan. Pila na ulit sila, tapos na yung mga losers bracket. Yan guys. Yan, expert class. Yan, mga winners bracket nasa Team One Day. Ina-announce na. So, good luck mga boss. Mga winners bracket ng expert class. Sana makuha nyo yung podium. Oh, shout out DCTV. Yan, si DCTV. Oh, yan. Yan, si Cherry White. Bagong dating. So kay Boss JM, yan, good luck, winners bracket, expert class. Uy, umiinit na. Ang init. Good luck, good luck. Ayun, kay Bennett naman yung isang nalabas. Yan, ito. Kay Bennett naman ito, kay Bennett. Winners bracket din yan, no? Team Leon. Yan. Expert class kay June, yan. Winners bracket din yan napunta. So, good luck, good luck. Yan, mga Team One Day crew, yan. Ito, second runner up tayo. Yan. Bawi tayo next. Ayan nga pala guys, ang bagong sponsor ng Team One Day, Leon. So, abangan nyo siya. Leon Racing. Yan. Salamat sa pagsuporta sa mga kumakarera ng Team One Day. Yan, kung makikita nyo lahat ng mga race car dyan, mga nakabanner ng Leon. So, yun. Malaking tulong siya sa mga kumakarera. So, sana magtuloy-tuloy sa lahat. Let's G. Wait! Hey! Laki! Yo! Abot. Abot yun. Abot. Sa lakas ng mulo kay Joe. Abot yan! Wag na magduduse. No! No! Wala. So ayun guys, mga sportsman class naman napipila. Yan. Mga entry natin ng sportsman class ito. Si Cherry White. Tsaka ito kay Spunky. Yan. Yan ang ating mga sportsman. Tsaka yun. Good luck, good luck. Oh, pila na, pila. Oy, okay, atras. Yan, ito, sportsman din. Sportsman class. Yung mga Team One Day natin. Ito, hindi pa nalabas. Sportsman class din to, tsaka ito. Yan. Tsaka ito pa, isa pa na to. Yan. Sportsman class. Naglalabasan na. Hop! Pasok! Pasang ka? Din sa kabila. Tagat mo na, tagat mo. Dulo, gay, dulo. Change parking. Yan, haba na ng pila. Pila ng sportsman class. Yung baba. White sa kanan. Mustang Shelby sa ano, sa kaliwa. Ayan. Panalo yun, hindi inabot. Oh, winner's bracket din, no?
May ka raw na eh.
Ito ka lang, ito ka lang.
Katali.
Yeah, ipasok mo.
Iba-iba!
Winner's bracket.
Ay, mali-mali.
8 lang. Just ka lang.
41?
Sakto lang, 8.
Oo,
Boss, what do you do for a living? Pokpok. Okay, atras. Winto na sa sportsman yan, si Kid. Winto. Team One Day pa rin. Sponsored by Leon. Palamig ang radiator.
Ayaw mo muna sila mapagpakan.
So, ayan, recondition muna, recondition.
Mainit na ba? Ano ko, walang...
Yaman mo muna mga...
Yo, naganda ng alis.
Eh, tilingan mo! Gate! Hindi, nagbibitaw yan.
Ilaw. No!
Ano po, yung na yun?
Marunong yan. Red light! Yun na! Sabi na eh! Battle for champion yun, siguro, ano? Oh, battle for champion na. Yan o, podium na. Battle for champion na. Oh, battle for champion na yan, no? Good luck. Yun. Yan na. Battle for champion. Oh, nauna. Oh, yo. Break out.
Break out na lang ang laban.
Oh, nandun ang nanalo. Taga doon yung puti.
Palabas.
Iso dyan namin. Yan o, first runner up sa sportsman, si Kate. Yan.
Nasungkit din.
Ikaw pa nabasa. Ayos talaga oh. First runner up. Congrats. Galing.
Congratulations, Agent Bucal!
Agent.
Congrats, Agent Bucal, the driver of car number 154 from Team One Day. He's from Rosario, Batangas. Congrats, my man. These are the winners. Left side. There goes your top 3. And compress. There it is. From the hot street, we go to the experts. The top 3 for the experts. Begin with the champion, of course. The driver of car number 182 to walk over 25,000. Alam mo, nakaligtas
Ano
na.
ba?
Ang galing talaga, ang galing talaga.
So yung guys, tapos na ang awarding. Yan. Naka-trophy na naman tayo. Oops. Yoy, naka-trophy tayo ngayon. Kasama natin to kay Kid, oh.
Ay, bakit?
Yan. Team One Day. Sponsored by Leon. Yan, Leon din yan. Yan. Nakakuha ang Team One Day. So, kita-kits na lang tayo sa, sa Golden Wheel Award. Yan, may nakuha tayong Golden Wheel. Number 1 tayo sa Southern Series. So, sa National, titingnan pa natin kung mapalitan tayo sa number 1 spot. So, abangan natin yung sa Clark na last leg. Titingnan natin kung sino mag-podium doon. So, boss. Thank you. So, ayun. Hanggang dito na lang muna. Out.